Today we will discuss about the application of the enzymes. As I have already told, enzymes are biocatalysts and about 5,000 different types of biochemical reactions requires enzymes for their completion. Because in the absence of the enzymes, these reactions may be completed in millions of the years, but with the help of the enzymes, they are completed within few seconds. So enzymes have a great importance in the living system for the catalysis or enhancing of the reaction. Besides this, the enzymes are purified, crystallized because some advanced technique has developed to purify the enzymes. So the use of the enzymes are widely on a broad spectrum in several industries and several other fields. So we will discuss in this lecture about the industrial or application of the enzymes in different area of the science or industries. So the first is wine manufacturing. The wine manufacturing, the Pasteur, Payen and Porthos. These are the great scientists of France and which laid the foundation of the role of the enzymes in different industries such as Payen. Payen discovered diastase in 1838. Before the enzymes term was given, Payen already discovered the diastase. Pasteur developed the pasteurization techniques which prevent the contamination of bacteria to the wine. So, and also participate in the food industries in the France. So, these scientists are also named as savior of the wine industries in the France. The papain is an enzyme obtained from papaya and is used as stabilizer because it removes some protein content which may produce turbidity in the wine when during the storage. So papain functions as a stabilizer and are widely used in the brewing industries. Cheese making, rennin, the enzyme obtained from cough, stomach, are used for the cheese making on the industrial basis. But the international charitable trust Beauty Without Cruelty has tried to ban on the use of the rennin because this is only present in the cough. So there are some other methods for the cheese making and also the rennin is synthesized by the biotechnological process. Lipase is also used in the cheese making for the specific flavor. Candy making. Candy, invertase and lactase. These two enzymes are widely used in the candy making. Invertase is the enzyme which prevents the granulation of the sugar because it hydrolyzes sucrose in the fructose and glucose. This enzyme is also useful because it produces L-fructose which is more sweet in comparison to the sucrose. Lactase is also used to prevent the formation of lactose crystal in the candy. Bread whitening. Lipooxygenase is used in the whitening of the bread. Clarified fruit juice. Pectic enzymes because fruit juice may contain pectic acids. So these acids may be responsible for some different flavor or turbidity. So this is removed by the addition of the pectic enzymes. Tenderizing meats. Bromelain, papain. These enzymes are used in the tenderizing meat because meat contains collagen which forms a tough and rubbery texture to the meat. So these enzymes are used to remove the effect of collagen in the meat. Decycling fabrics. Some enzymes obtained from bacteria and fungi are used in the designing of the fabrics. De-staining. De-staining, it is used in the dry cleaners. Dry cleaning, some glue, gluten or some other types of spots are removed easily by the use of alkalis, the enzyme used in the dry cleaning of the cloth. Leather industries, pepsin and trypsin are used for the removal of the hair and other tough protein substances from the leather to make the smooth and useful. Correcting digestion, there are some enzymes which aids digestion, and these enzymes include pepsin, papain and amylase. They are widely used as a tablet forms and are also useful to enhance the process of the digestion. Wound healing, streptodermate are basically used in the wound healing, and they forms there are the bending of the collagen, and these collagens are removed by these enzymes, and they enhance the process of wound healing. Blood clot, urokinase or streptokinase, these enzymes are used in the removal of blood clot. Urokinase generally used in the removal of blood clot from other circulatory system as well as in the brain. So, in the brain handling process, urokinase is widely used to the removal of the clot. As diagnostic agent, enzymes are recently used as diagnostic agents such as SCPT and SCOT. SCPT and SCOT is a useful diagnostic agent for the determination of the hepatic diseases in the liver infection such as hepatitis, liver cancer. These level of these enzymes are highly elevated to their normal level. So increased level of SCPT and SCOT determine the hepatic diseases. Renin, the level of the renin increases in hypertension. This is the enzyme of kidney. So the renin level increase denotes the hypertension. Syrup manufacturing. The immobilization of the enzymes means the enzymes become industrial use by the immobilization process, and enzymes are stabilized on the cellulose beads or some other silica gel. So immobilized enzyme has the industrial application. And syrup manufacturing, the most type of the enzymes are isomerase, such as glucose isomerase forms L-fructose, and I have already told you that L-fructose is more sweet in comparison to the sucrose, so it is used in the formation of the invert syrup. So invert syrup is already used in the formation of synthesis of candy or other some things which are more sweet in comparison to the sugar, because they contain large amount of L-fructose, and L-fructose is formed from glucose by isomerase.